Hey, welcome back to WP Globe's YouTube channel. Are you running a WooCommerce store and thinking of giving your customers a true product customization? Yes? Then this video is for you. In today's video, we are going to review the WowAddons by WP XPO. So let's get into it. So what is WowAddons? First, I want to mention that WP XPO has more than 65,000 plugin users in WordPress, and the WowAddons is one of their best plugins. So what is WowAddons? A WooCommerce plugin. It's an add-on for the popular e-commerce platform on WordPress that lets you create custom product options. WowAddons allows store owners to add custom product options and fields to their WooCommerce product pages, such as personalized gift message, choosing a different color, or uploading a custom image, and more. In a word, with WowAddons, your customers will enjoy their personalized shopping experience. So let's find out, why do the online store owners need the WowAddons plugin? It is important for every business owner to provide their customers with a personalized shopping experience. So here comes the WowAddons. As I've already mentioned, the plugin allows you to add various custom fields to your product, such as text inputs, checkboxes, radio buttons, file uploads, and color swatches. Also, the plugin has an increased average order value, which means by offering add-ons, services, and extra options, you can encourage customers to spend more per purchase. Use the WowAddons plugin and provide your customers with an improved user experience. How? Conditional logic allows you to show or hide fields based on customers' previous selections, creating a tailored and intuitive shopping experience, which is excellent for personalized and higher order value. Last but not least, within this plugin, you will always get flexibility in product options. You can assign add-ons globally to all products, to specific products, or to entire categories, giving you control over which products have customizable options. The plugin is very user-friendly. It's a drag and drop builder, which means minimal coding is required. So it is time to check out the dashboard and see how it works. Once you install and activate WowAddons, you will see the plugin appear in your WordPress menu. The dashboard is clean, modern, and designed with usability in mind, no heavy clutter. A quick overview of WowAddons dashboard. The plugin is very lightweight, designed not to slow down your store. So here you can see the option list, where you can find and add all of the options. On the analytics, in this section you can always be in track of your total sales, orders, etc. On the settings section, you can make your needed adjustments, and font section, where you can add your custom fonts if needed. Let's click on the create options list. First, give a title to your option. Here you have a product selection drop box. You can choose between the all product, specific category, specific tag, and specific brand. Choose the needed one, let's say specific product, and now it is time to select the product. Here on my option list, I have already created one. Let's check it out. Now let's dive into the heart of the plugin, the add-on fields. The plugin offers more than 25 add-on fields, and you get a drag and drop interface. You can customize all add-ons to align with your store's branding. As you can see, we have many options to choose from. Let's have a quick overview on some of them. Let's check out the radio button. The plugin supports standard radio button fields, which are good for mutually exclusive options, to offer pricing for different product options, and more. Here I've added a question: does the customer prefer the pizza spicy or not? The slider or range slider field. This field is especially useful for numeric ranges, for example, quantity, size, length. Here you can add a title, hide the title, make it required or not, choose the price type, give it values, and more. You can customize it from the style section. And now let's check out the conditional logic section, probably one of the most powerful features: conditional logic and dynamic pricing. Conditional logic allows add-on fields to be hidden or shown based on other selections. For example, let's from the drop box choose the question and the answer, after which we want this question to appear. So that's it. Once the buyer chooses yes for the previous question, the slider will appear. Checkboxes. Checkboxes are perfect for the multiple choice options. Again, the logic is the same. Add as many options as you need. Also, you can insert images as well. Choose the price type and style the way you want. So for now, let's check out the image swatches field. Show how you can present, for example, product pattern variations or design previews via the image swatches. Here we can add to our custom pizza additional toppings. Add a title, hide the title, make it required or not, add a help text if needed. Add as many options as you need. Title them, of course, add images, choose the price type from the drop box, insert the price, sales, and etc. You can also enable the update product image on selection at quantity, or allow multiple choice. Let's allow it. And from the styles field, choose your preferred style custom. Also, you can custom both the height and width and more. Last but not least important field that I would like to mention is the color swatches. Similarly, color swatches allow a visual color picker rather than a plain drop down. Via this tool, you can allow the shoppers to pick colors visually for a more interactive experience. Once you are ready, save the changes and let's get a preview on it. As you can see, everything works perfectly. One more thing to mention about the WowAddons plugin is the pricing flexibility the WP XPO offers to its customers. As you can notice, the Black Friday special mega bundle deal is now live. So I suggest you to not lose time for this deal. If you are managing multiple stores or running an agency, the WP XPO agency bundle for 88% off for this year is perfect for you. One single payment and lifetime access. The Power Pack bundle includes access to 7 plugins and has a more than 4,000 value. And the Mega bundle has a more than $8,000 value on premium WordPress and WooCommerce tools. The deal gives you access to 10 plugins, including WowAddons, WowStore, WowRevenue, and more. It's a great way to maximize value if you are building or scaling many stores, so go and grab the deal. The link is in the comments below. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next time, keep building, keep optimizing, and happy selling!